The today topic is AI based foundry. The AI based foundry is a traditional challenges. So before challenge we see the AI foundries forging and futures of manufacturing. The AI is redefining the metal castings in global market. They are facing the lot of issues by manually productions. Implementing AI, they can be saving the lot of human work, and 80% to 95% reducing the defect, and project reach more than 200 billions achieved in 2028. The traditional challenges have been a backbone of metal casting and manufacturing process. However, they face several persistent challenges. Inconsistent quality due to the manual process, high energy consumption and material wastages, skilled labor shortages, limited process monitoring and predictive control, long lead time and reactive maintenance. These are the limitations hinder efficiency, increasing the operational cost and reduce the competitiveness. The traditional foundry challenge bottleneck and cost. The high defect and rates generally average 5 to 50% of scrap due to the porosity, crack, blowhole, shrinkage, etc. These are avoided by the AI. Next one is energy intensity. The furnace consume more than within the limit of 30% to 50% of total producing energy. The manual process, labor intensive inspection subject to the quality of control persist. Lack of predictabilities. Unplanned downtime cost. Next one is a AI transformative impact on the foundry. The AI introduced the paradigm shift in how foundries operate by integrating the AI with the sensors or IoT and cloud computing. Foundries can analyze the real-time process of the data. Examples are temperatures, pressure, chemical compositions. Use the machine learning to predicting the casting defect. Automate the mold designs and cooling rates. Automotive and decision making in melting process, pouring and core making. The shift to move the boundaries from the reactive to predictive and perspective manufacturing systems. Next one is the tangible benefits, quantifiable ROI. The practical benefit of AI in foundries including the reduce the reductions rate, increasing the yield improvements. Due to early defect predictions is very easy by utilizing the AI. Defect reductions also totally controlled. So the human power supply the product to right time to the customers. Energy saving through the optimistic furnace operations. Improve the product and consistency and quality, faster turnout time without automatic scheduling. Reduce the labor depend and enhance the work safety. Next one is the real world applications in AIX and material characteristics section. AI driven image recognizing and spectroscopy tools are now used for the real time characteristics section. Predicting the alloy compositions, analyzes the microstructures of casting component, detecting inclusions, raising the anomalies using deep learning models. This leads a better control for mechanical properties and product reliabilities and post cast inspection.